holds up somehow. No. Wheels get stuck on those sticks. If it weren't for the leaves being slippery, I don't think this would be a problem at all. But wow. Yeah, out here on the flat, it's no issue. A little bumpy, but controllable. I might add something so that, yeah, like, okay, this rock isn't slippery, so going over that, yeah, not a problem. When you have slippery leaves and the wheels don't get a grip, they just spin out and then it falls over. Bye, mini wave. I think he's leaving.